Hello, and thank you for tuning in to HXGN TV. My name is Jay Pongonis. Today we're going to be talking about what's new in the provider and platform suites. I'm joined by Chris Tweedy, Product Line Director for ERDAS APOLLO and ECW. Marcus Holler, Product Line Director for GeoMedia Smart Client. Marek Brilski, Product Line Director for WebGIS products.
Morning.
And Vince Smith, Product Line Director for mobile products. So Chris, let's start with you. Can you tell us what's going on with the Provider Suite products?
Sure, Jay. So the Provider Suite is a collection of different applications, primarily focused at optimizing large organisations, whether they're sort of private-based data provider, capture providers, through to governmental organisations, effectively anyone with a large sort of geospatial data problem. So we have a whole variety of different products sort of aimed at that market. We will be announcing an update to our existing 2016 release in the next month. And that's going to bring through a whole variety of new features, both from a functional perspective as well as performance. A few key ones, for example, for ERDAS APOLLO, is all about making ingestion of data far quicker in the updated version. So for those customers with potentially petabytes of information, that's going to offer a huge saving over our previous ERDAS APOLLO releases.
Great, thank you. Marcus, tell us something about GeoMedia Smart Client.
Oh, there's so many items I can talk about, but I just want to highlight two ones. The first one is, I think it's more important to support the different content providers, so here maps and so on. It's very important to our customers to have some support of that. And as a result, to the existing ones, we're going to integrate also OpenStreetMap, especially in the regions like India and Africa. Having an open source background imagery available is very important. And beside of that, it's also important to keep up with the technology. So we're going to support the Windows 10 location API so that you can capture, based on your GPS location information with GeoMedia Smart Client.
Great, thank you. Marek, talk to us about the WebGIS products.
Same story as in Marcus' case. I could talk forever, about the new features that we are bringing to the product, but I just picked a couple of them to highlight here. The first one that I'd like to mention is the possibility to connect GeoMedia Web Map Server to our smart maps on the cloud. It's might be seen as a little feature because it's just additional output formats on our WFS service that can be read by the smart map, but it brings a lot of power to those who would like to enhance their visualization with the new analytics tools in smart maps. In addition to this, the Geospatial portal application received some new features. We improved significantly the performance of vector data, which is SVG format in that case. Works much faster in all browsers, but especially Internet Explorer and Edge, Microsoft browsers are much faster. We are working on the improved publishing process of the websites. So it's only one step, and everything is done automatically. Everything is set up on the application server and the website with just one wizard is ready to use. Plus we add a lot of new features to the consumer portal. That's the simplified layout of Geospatial portal dedicated for consumers with the responsive design, and it runs on any device. And that one receives vector support, receives get feature information so that you can see the attribute data, and we also optimized the way browsers print the map from that application. So you just press Ctrl-P in the browser and can do a quick printouts from that application. Lots of cool stuff. Thank you.
Thank you, Marek. And Vince, mobile products. Tell us something about what's going on with those.
Sure, Jay. Actually, there's two things I'd like to discuss. The first is with the mobile SDK. Mobile SDK is what's used by our partners and our customers to build geospatially enabled mobile applications for iOS, Android, and Windows devices. Right now, the SDK has been enhanced. It can do everything that our apps themselves do. Mobile MapWorks Essentials, Mobile MapWorks Advantage. So the app now, or the SDK now has all the editing capabilities that's in the Advantage app, and it also includes all of our disconnected capabilities as well. The other thing is around Mobile Alert. We've got some exciting things that have happened in our Mobile Alert subscription, thanks to my buddy right here. We've now integrated Mobile Alert with the Smart Map platform. In the past, you would have to take a subscription and do all the configuration and go through our back office systems to get that enabled. But with the Smart Map application, you can now do all that for yourself. So just anybody that would like to have a subscription to Mobile Alert can get into the Smart Map marketplace, use their credit card, sign up for a subscription, configure the app the way they like, upload all the icons, and start up the app on their phone and immediately see everything they've just done. If they want to change information out, again, going back into the app, in the marketplace, they can update all the information, and because Mobile Alert is a dynamic application anywhere in the world, they'll see those changes immediately. Finally, if you do get a subscription to Mobile Alert, we've bundled it with incident analyzing application. So all the incidents that come into the cloud in our database, you have an app in the marketplace and Smart Maps to actually view all that information and do your analytics as well.
It's very cool. Thank you. For more information, please go to hexagongeospatial.com. And to watch more episodes, please go to hxgntv.com. Thank you for joining us.